Everyone.
How do I start every video?
Hi guys!
He said it. I don't have to say it. I had a lot of people on Instagram and Facebook ask me if I was going to do like a makeup tutorial or whatever for Jerome's Harley Quinn. No, it's just sort of, or maybe, I might, but I thought I'd do like a little series. No, I might.
Flat out no.
Just no. No, I decided I'd do like a little series making all the things for my Jerome's Harley Quinn. I've just seen some stuff in the latest episode of Gotham, but I just watched episode 18, but it's fine. But today, Kane and I, he's on the bed chilling, so I won't film him. Anyway, I thought I would walk you through some of the items that I've got, and I will talk about where I got the items from, and some of the details of the outfits itself. So we're going to be working on the mallet, which is going to be a really cool reference. I'll insert a photo now of what I've got so far. So I'm following the Suicide Squad design, and instead of the diamond belt I'm going to use this. It's about the size of my fist, but we're going to cut it in half and put the Joker face instead of the diamond on the little belt that she wears, which will be cool. I will show you some of the jewellery items that I've managed to purchase custom off this shop called Animal Skin on Etsy. They custom made this choker, so obviously instead of put in, I'm gonna have Jerome. I also have, instead of yes sir, I'm just gonna have haha on my wrists, and I'm just going to go with the gold cuffs because I still want to nod Suicide Squad Harley Quinn. Kane's put that thing just for aesthetics, but it's actually just a pain in the ass, so I'm gonna move that. Okay, here is the shirt that I DIY'd. I've seen a few people on Instagram actually use this, but I'm really like flattered as well, so that's nice. Instead of stitching, I've gone with, let's get some focus, some ha-has and staples, and because in series 4 episode 16 and whatever one he's in, he has added some little staple ha-has to his Arkham uniform in season 4. And I'm going with the red and black theme, so Animal Skin have also made me some red and black sequin shorts, if you can call them shorts. Probably not, but and I've also done the staples for the rip, and everything else is just pretty much hand painted. And I accidentally, when I was doing a makeup test, I got some fake blood on my shirt, but I think that sort of adds to it, so that's okay, I think. I'm using like a leather fingerless glove because Jerome wears leather gloves that are black, and I thought that I wanted to stick with red and black, so I'm wearing that on one hand wherever. What one does Harley wear it on? I don't know. What we need for the mallet is a broomstick, and I decapitated the end of it off and the other end as well, so that's one thing. And it has to be lightweight, otherwise you won't be allowed into a con, and it needs to be not bigger than a meter, and I think once the handle's on, the whole prop won't be bigger than a meter, but it's still like big enough to be comic-like, I guess. Kane's kindly gotten 2 $1 buckets from the reject shop because that's quality, and we're going to start by sticky taping them together and putting cardboard backings on each of the ends, like so. And then we're going to cut a hole in the bottom of it and stick the thing on, and it's going to be really sturdy.
Stage 1.
I'm terrified. Don't do that. I can't get through it. Wait.
Do you want me to do it?
No, because I thought you had the Stanley knife.
What you doing?
I'm hot glue gunning this together for extra hold. Obviously it won't hold the whole thing together, but it will give it some extra grippiness. Then you've got to line up the sides, which my father kindly put in. So that's what's happening, and now I'm going to hold it and push with all my might as hard as I can.
Mommy, how was I born?
No, the wrong side, Kane.
Mommy, Daddy, how was I born? That actually fitted quite well.
Yeah.
It is important when you are doing this to make sure you have lots and lots of tape.
Okay, so I'm getting this big piece of cardboard and I've cut out 2 circles that are obviously the same width and everything as each side of the bucket mallet because I need to tape them onto the ends.
Now what are you doing, you stinky orangutan?
What? So far, we've secured these so you should be able to donk someone on the head and they won't go anywhere. Okay, it needs to be sturdy because people are going to come up to you at a convention and they're going to want to play with it, or some kid's going to kick it or something like that. Good thing is that you can hit them back with this thing.
Are you condoning hitting children?
No. We're going to do papier-mâché in a bit where we Google the recipe, but I'll write the recipe on screen for it, and we're going to do probably 2 layers tonight, and then the rest of it and the decoration will be continued in another video. And I'll talk more about the rest of the cosplay in the videos. And I'll see you in the next part of this video.
Do you think it can hold that relationship together?
I think it can, Kane. Look, you got a little hole.
Wow, even the camera thinks your arms are hairy.
That's so mean. I know I have hairy arms. I've got like the world's hairiest, freckliest arms. They're like gross.
Because I'm in my knickers.
He's not. I'm cutting that out. Hey. Just outtakes. Don't look at my arms. So mean.
Here we have the African orangutan. It's constructing something. God knows what. You can tell it's an orangutan by its orange fur and hairy ass arms.
Did you say hairy ass?
So you do have a hairy ass.
Ow! In my head!
You ever roast someone so good they hit their head? This is Anna's bin.
Don't.
This is Anna's patch of grass where she goes piddle.
What? No, I don't.
Sometimes she goes piddle here, so we had to grow some more out for her.